Welcome back students of class 4 to a e-learning class. Today, as you know, it is your science subject. So we'll start the chapter. We are doing chapter number 6, soil. Okay. So I will continue from the same chapter, soil. In our previous class, we have discussed some portions of the exercise of this chapter. We have done section A, section B, and section C. We have done up to the match the following. Today I will continue from section D, that is very short answer question. This is from page number 36 in your science book. So I will write the page number here, page number 36. Okay. So we will continue from section D, very short answer question. Okay, very short answer question. Today we will do very short answer question. So question number 1, I will read it out. Please follow. Number 1, name the soil that can hold enough air and water. Name the soil that can hold enough air and water. So I'll write the question. Name the soil that can hold enough air and water. Okay. Answer: the soil that can hold enough air and water is loamy soil. Okay, it is loamy soil. Next question, question number 2. What do we call the topmost fertile layer of soil? What do we call the topmost fertile layer of the soil? Question number 2. What do we call the topmost fertile layer of soil? Fertile layer of soil? Question mark. The topmost fertile layer of soil is called topsoil. The fertile layer of the topmost fertile layer of soil is called topsoil. So number 3 now, question number 3. Which soil is used for making buildings? 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 I'll write sandy soil. Sandy soil is used for making buildings. Sandy soil is used for making buildings. Okay. Next, question number 4. Question number 4. Name 3 things present in the soil. Name 3 things present in the soil. Name 3 things present in the soil. Okay. Name 3 things present in the soil. It will be a full stop here. Okay. Answer. The 3 things present in the soil are air, water, and minerals. Okay. The 3 things present in the soil are air, water, and minerals. Okay, air, water, and minerals. Now, one question is left here. I will write here. I will rub here. Okay. I will rub question number 1. Then we will end the class. Before ending, we will have a recap what we have done. Okay. We are doing number D, question number 5. Okay. Name one animal. Name one animal that lives in soil. Name one animal that lives in soil. Answer. One animal that lives in soil is earthworm. Okay. I can write other examples also. I have written here earthworm. On one animal that lives in soil is earthworm. You can write ant, you can write rabbit, you can write snake. Okay, these are things you can write there. So today I will end the class here. Before ending, let us recap what we have done today. We have done today from chapter number 6 soil, we have done section D, very short answer question. So question number 1 is name the soil that can hold enough air and water. The soil that can hold enough air and water is loamy soil. Question number 2, what do we call the topmost fertile layer of soil? The topmost fertile layer of soil is called topsoil. Then question number 3, which soil is used for making buildings? The soil which is used for making building is sandy soil. Okay. Question number 4, name 3 things present in the soil. 3 things that are present in the soil are air, water and minerals. Next one, question number 5, this is the last question. Name one animal that lives in the soil. One animal that lives in the soil is earthworm. Okay. So this is the end of the class. So I hope you will learn the question answer, you will learn the chapter well. So thank you everyone.